In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Apple Cash to your Apple account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly add money to your Apple Cash balance. All that you have to do to add balance to your Apple Cash is to open the latest version of the wallet application. So open the wallet app on any iPhone or iPad, and in there you will be able to find Apple Cash. Immediately upon tapping on Apple Cash, you will see the current balance that you have, the option to send or request to friends and family, and then the latest transactions that you have made. To add money to your Apple Cash, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and then select Add Money from the drop-down menu that appears. Immediately upon selecting Add Money, you will be guided through the instructions to add. So, you will have to include the amount of money that you want to add to Apple Cash and then choose from any of the available sources for this payment. So choose from any of the available payment methods after you input a valid amount and you will be able to redeem it as cash on your account. Once this has been done, it is going to appear right under your balance and you will be able to send this money to friends and family. You can use your Apple Cash card if you have one to make payments online anywhere that Visa cards are accepted or in store for contactless payments and so on. There are a lot of things that you will be able to do with Apple Cash, and all that you have to do to add it and make sure that you have enough balance is to open the wallet application. Like I said, you can use tap to cash, you can add money, make purchases, send money to other people, transfer money from Apple Cash to your bank account, and make payments using the Apple Card balance. So open the wallet app, tap on the Apple Cash balance that you have, and choose the option to add money through the menu at the top right corner of the screen. You will be able to specify the amount and repeat this process as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Apple Cash to Apple account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.